Bipin Chowdhury Khan, Part 4 Chunzom Leta Ila. Getting off the train at Ranchi next morning, he realized at once that he had never been there before. Getting off Chuktina Namaya train at Chukmo at Ranchi next morning Atuka train at Chuk Chuan, he realized at once Ashangalvata or at once Vele more that he had never been there before. Sulaimun Achon Alakal Ngaire, Rengalawani, Tisu Ashangalvata. He came out of the station, took a taxi, and drove around the town for a while. He came out of the station at Tangchon Choka, taxi ala, drove around the town. Kochung at Choran Tankol Vela for a while, Engumuti Chung Chu. He realized that the streets, the buildings, the hotels, the bazaars, the Morabadi Hill, with none of these had he the slightest acquaintance. Street, kotherte, building te, hotels te, bazaar te, Morabadi Hill te, zong te chuan. Eng ma in melfi na annei lawani ti atet thiam hal maya, he realized acquaintance in melfi na in fiat na ta chuan alam ngai reng lawani ti atet thiam hal maya ti na tlokani chumi zo tong chuan. Would a trip to the Hoodoo Falls help? Hoodoo Falls a chuan trip zin mo vakal ta sela apuyangem afiat phangem. He didn't believe so. Aring lem lova. But Mase at the same time to live chuan he didn't wish to live with the feeling that he hadn't tried enough talk. Sulaimun chu Ingen yang bena sa to lova in siat na nena chua san chu adu chung lova mo eng mathil ti bel thei nia lang ingen yang ti turom zong ti kim vek lo kal chu kha adu kal san kha adu lawani. So he arranged for a car and left for Hoodoo in the afternoon. Arranged for chu hayar tina ni mang chu khetela kan set them dan chuan arranged for a car te anan ngai tua chuan left for Hoodoo ti chu Hoodoo panina chuak ta left for sil char and so sil char panina chuak tina ni mai in the afternoon tlaya chuan. At 5 o'clock the same afternoon in Hoodoo chu mitlai vek mo same afternoon ti chu mitlai vek dar nga chuan Hoodoo two Gujarati gentlemen from a group of picnickers discovered Bipin Babu lying unconscious beside a boulder. Gujarati mi pani chutilaya picnic local to chuan discover muchuak Bipin Babu lying unconscious ni ko thelawa tlu mu beside a boulder chu lung lian ve angreng tak bula beside chu bula lung bula alo murang mahin muwa. When he came round alo har chuan came round hetai regain consciousness alo har le chuan the first thing Bipin Babu said was Pu Bipin Babu so masak ber chu ma I'm finished, there's no hope left. Kazave kadu toke, there's no hope left. Eng ma be se to dang to lo. Next morning Bipin Babu was back in Calcutta. Atuk zinga chuan Bipin Babu chu Calcutta lo le to he realized that there was truly no hope for him. Truly takzet anitan chuan base tur hope eng ma to lo takzet ani ti aseta soon he would lose everything leilo te eng kim mai chu hlau dona his will to walk will ti chu in pekna du na chak na na tho chak na te his confidence and rin tok na te his ability a thei na te his balance of mind aruru balance tak mai engene control tak mai ru in control thei tak mai ni na te khang zong kha hlau vek don a chan vek don ni na ni. Was he going to end up in the asylum app? Bipin Babu couldn't think anymore. Asylum ru laman na ne tem kan han te mai te da khom na khan ve don na mi niang Bipin Babu chuanin angal tua chunzom thei lova ngai to chun zom du lova end up ti chu lo thleng tin at pon theng chu back home he rang up Dr. Chandra and asked him to come over ina thlen nu chuan rang up phone pu Chandra Dr. Chandra chu avakola and asked him to come over local turin ati then after a shower and bon nu chuan he got into bed with an ice bag clamped on his head kuma ice bag kan shenga vur da khomna bag ang chiga clamp ani chuan bay bed inani maya alua ice bag da chungin inani mang chu just then the servant brought him a letter which someone had left in the letter box just then chu tilai tak chuan achhialo chu aron luta letter lekhathon kengin chu letter chu tu inemo an letter box alo left alo kalsan lekha thon aron kenglut ani chu a greenish envelope with his name in red ink on it greenish ani chuan green chu string ania greenish ani chuan string lampang envelope string lampang a hian a ming asena inziak in alo oma above the name it said urgent and confidential a ming chunga chuan above chung urgent and confidential urgent man mo thak confidential thuruk te lo inziaka in spite of his condition damlo a condition chu te ang chunima sela Bipin Babu had a feeling that he ought to go through the letter Bipin Babu chuanin ought to chumo ngai tingengi chul go through chu chiar inane mai Bipin Babu chuanin lekhaton chu chiar ngengi ngain asia he tore open the envelope and took out the letter tore chu tear past tense ania potler inani tore open potlera envelope chu potlerenan honga chuan a letter chu da chuak ta this is what he read like he read he a past tense so read ani a spelling ang chi chiar tina kha ama ero chu alam dana dangani read te to lovin past tense ve kan wangin kan thon tu chiar zong zong kha chu wangin he tila hi read kan ti to lovanga read in lam tu thung tur ani lekhathon chu an chiar ta ti hian alo injek ta Dear Bepin, I had no idea that affluence would bring about the kind of change you knew that it has done. Affluence ti chu hausakna hausakna hian in inuna hian tunang mem hian danglamna aron thlen kalo ringai lova I had no idea change more. Was it so difficult for you to help out an old friend down on his luck? It hian pa luite lo van doi lo chet cheta te tran pui kha har saviao emni aron tene I hope I have no money so my resources are limited poisa khane lewa chu van resources thil ti theina mo ka thil ti te a limit ngen abi tham ma what I have is imagination kane ero thung chu song to na ngai to na ani a part of which I use in retribution of your unfeeling behavior, a part of which to me imagination can atang chen khatsu retribution to tan kan khabukan oma as a punishment for semnanche unfeeling behavior to midang khonga na nei lo mo midang se them na nei lo behavior nung chang midang se them na in nei lo lutuk awanga semnanche kamang ani well you'll be all right again soon again now le ani chuan tu na chuan relo te idam mayang a novel I've written is being considered by a publisher a novel thon thu mo ka thon thu zia a novel I have written is being considered ngai tua by a publisher lekhabu chu tu ten ka thon thu zia te anlo ngai ven ve me ka anlo ngai tu ve me ka if he likes it enough it'll see me through the next few months angai na zong te ni chuan tuna tang thari lo te chung chu see me through ani chuan min dom mayang mo heta tanga ka poi novela tanga ko po sa lo hi hian thai ngam za chung chu min dai ve ma yang atina na mai si mi thu ti chu yours chunila la le kha alo ni when Dr. Chandra came, Bipin Babu said, "I'm fine. It all came back as soon as I got off the train at Ranchi." Dr. Chandra lo khen chuan Bipin Babu chuan ka thatto Ranchi train atang ka chuk ve le khan engkim mai kha ka chuk le vek to ni mo it all came back and it's on ka chuk le vek to ka le vek to atina and mai a unique case, said Dr. Chandra. I shall certainly write it in a medical journal. Unique itu dang lambir an pui nei lo case su ama case aka case dang lam takani chu ati ne Dr. Chandra Khan medical journal medical chanchin bua zi ngai turan chu mo certainly I shall certainly chiang takin tinane mai chiang takin ka zi ngai yang him chung chang hi ati ne. The reason why I sent for you, said Bipin Babu, is that I have a pain in the hip from a fall I had in Ranchi. If you could prescribe a painkiller. The reason why I sent for you, reason chan mo, send for to kautir. Karang kautir chan chu, dia pu Bipin Babu chuan. Ranchi ya katlu na khanin ka hip ka khela hianin na ka nei tlat maya. If we could prescribe a painkiller, prescribe so painkiller na so na min so the chuan an tani Satyajit Rai ji an ta khalmi kha kan thon thu chu an ta zia chuan chunila la khanin Bipin Babu kha chanpui turin ava soma ava dila mar chu Bipin Babu khan lo chanpui the si lo chanpui du si lawa chu wangin laka phubalak nan alo bum kwal tinani Ranchi zin nga re lo ka zin angin mo ta parimal go se te mangte khan alo buma teng khan areru na satakin phubalak nan alo ti boy vel tinani chu chuan heta hian question engma za kan nei le heng ho hi chu tunata chon kan chang si lo anga chumi chu chang le wen he ta phe le lama fill in the blanks kha hemizo hian video to pa hianin answer karon da kan lo copy le nga chuan phe le lama hian idioms chung chang lom le ta hemi ho hi answer karon pele don ani idioms kan ti chu english a chuan anting aniang thu pani patum te homza pakhat ne si ho kha ani ta ni antinan vanish into thin air te chu antinang disappeared boat ina khateng chi kha take care te chu encol tinang chi angai ngaya la ka si lo atan howa tu nei ran siam ho kha idioms anti ho chuni ta chunin ta hand stop and tell me beating about what you want the boost hang how we sentence and dot lo word in dot dan tu ni lovin aren rem ta chu ta hian adik takin nei kan remanga chu tatang chon hatan khoi khange idiom kha kan la chok le anga chu phele lama po khan oma chum answer chu hemi video to pa hian oma kan lo copy anga kan lo zero le vek don ni